Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I am going to show you how you convert your HTML file to a PDF format. This is my HTML file. Here you can see this is the form in the HTML format, but I need to convert this into a PDF form. So how I need to do this? For this, go to your Google and here we need to type I love PDF and we are going to use this website. Click on this and here we have an option to convert your HTML to a PDF. Click on this, add HTML file. Here we can also add the URL of any website. Like I'm going to give you a website name is the aesthetic ocean. Just click on this, copy the link from here and add it here. Here you can see it adjusted the view according to the requirement and then we need to convert. So here you can download from here. Just save it. And here you can get the output. You can see this is the output of your complete website in the PDF format. This is the complete website that is in the PDF format. So by adding any URL, you can easily convert the website into a PDF format. So to get more informative videos like this, follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take care.